Hey everybody, Matthew here at Earthworks with the amazing Podocarpus Pringles, which is similar but different from its larger growing cousin, the Podocarpus mackie. And we carry both. And if you want something tall, check out our video about the Podocarpus mackie. But this is the Podocarpus Pringle, which only grows to about 5 feet tall and just about as wide, but very slowly. So very low maintenance and easy to maintain. You can grow them just about anywhere. Full sun, part sun. I've even seen them in containers as a nice evergreen in a large pot with some flowers in front of them. It looks amazing. And because they're slow to moderate growers, it might take a minute to get them to the height you want, but once they're there, you don't have to do very much pruning. So it makes it about as low maintenance as it gets. Come check them out. We carry these all year round. Check us out on our Instagram, on our Facebook, and our YouTube channels for more gardening information, tips, and tricks to keep you growing all year round. Until next time,